Hey everyone, thanks for taking a few minutes to check out my project. This is something that I've been working on for a while, and I'm really excited to show where this is at today. So this is a virtual commissioning proof of concept where I've constructed a PLC running TwinCAT, running in TwinCAT to a real-time simulation that's inside Unity. And the setup is all built on a single Windows 11 machine. And the goal here is to really show how the control logic inside of the PLC can drive a simulation inside of a game engine like Unity. And so the setup is pretty simple. We just have our traffic light intersection here on the left, but the real power of this setup is what's happening under the hood. At the core, I'm using TwinCAT ADS to communicate between the PLC and Unity. And to bridge the two, I'm using an amazing open source project called Open Commissioning, which is a C# application that I've kind of modified a little bit to better fit our needs, but it's an amazing open source project and I recommend you check it out. But the coolest thing is that the Unity scene actually creates the devices inside of TwinCAT. So once you create your Unity scene, all you have to do is hit Update TwinCAT Project, and it will use Open Commissioner, which is down here, to send your Unity project into TwinCAT and add all the devices in automatically. So let me just kind of show that off real quick. So if we go under device interactions, you can see all of our lamps here. And these are already actively running, so that's why you see the variables actually changing. But these are all based off of the Unity lamps, which is really, really cool. And so, yeah, the inside of the PLC, it's just a really simple run logic script that defines all of the traffic light states. Again, this is just more of a proof of concept. I'm going to do a lot more with this in the future because it's so fun to work with. But what I really like most about this project is that it brings in a lot of areas that I'm really passionate about. And it brings it all into kind of one. But anyway, that's enough talk. Let me kind of show how this works. So if you see here, I showed you earlier, we have our east lamp green, red, and yellow. We have our north lamp green, red, and yellow, which all have their own states inside of the PLC that are all actively changing because of the structured text that I wrote. And again, these all link up to Unity with the ADS. So to actually see them, all you have to do is hit play, and the ADS is going to do its thing. It's going to connect, and yeah, you can see it right there. Yellow light, red light. Takes a couple seconds, and this is going to turn green. There we go. So the simulation is working exactly as intended. All of these lights sync up to an actual PLC running in TwinCAT, and this is just an amazing proof of concept because it allows you to do so much more. And I'm really excited to expand on this whole workflow in the future. But yeah, thank you for taking the time to learn about this, and I'm really excited to keep developing it and see what else I can do with this. So yeah, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have an amazing day.